Hi, is this the owner of 7890 West Ludington Drive?
Yeah,
Is this Richard?
yeah.
Hey, Richard, this is RJ Bates. Look like you filled out a form on my website saying that you were interested in selling that property. Is that correct?
Maybe.
Maybe?
I
All right.
mean,
All right. How much you want for it?
well, I- so- so-
All right. Well, tell me a little bit about what you got going on over there.
oh, 3.78. It's right there, 10, which is main drag. It's commercial residential zoning. A barn needs a little bit of work. It's a building needs a little bit of work, and then there's a two-bedroom, 900 square foot hot well, 900 plus addition, so I don't know, 1,100 square foot with a basement. That still needs a little bit of work too. Some drywall finishing, carpeting.
Gotcha. You living there or is it vacant now?
Uh, but a couple weeks. I work out of town.
Gotcha.
And a couple weeks. I'm usually home every 2 weeks, but
You a truck driver or what do you do? Gotcha.
right now I'm doing a demo on Edison building. The Coke.
Gotcha. All right. So it used to be a roller. This is a very unique property.
Yeah, it's definitely unique.
Yeah. So does the acreage just kind of run straight back?
No, it's more wide than it is deep.
Gotcha. So
I
that
want to say I have to look at the paperwork, but I want to say I'm like 380 wide.
okay. Can y'all hear him now?
But it's a roller. So right part of the building caved in the roof, but that was before I bought it. So there's a big slab out front where that
Y'all
building
can't hear him?
was. The other part of the building was still standing, but closed it off. It would probably you would have to look at or at least get pictures of before you could get a good understanding of what it is. You can Google map it. It's a pretty good view with the Google Maps.
Okay. Let me see something here real quick. Let me know if that just fixed it. It might have been the microphone. All right. So I don't know that I need to see too much on the property itself because it goes. Does your lot run up to the gas station? Is that kind of the lot line? And then we don't go down to where that other barn is, right? With the okay. Let's see if this works. Okay. How'd you come up with the price of 70,000?
that's a bare 70,000 is a bare minimum. I need to let it go.
Yeah, I'm just curious how you came up with it.
I really, because that's just a bare. That's what I need. I have a HELOC out that's 56,000 on it, and I would have to, I would have to cover that, and then I need 13 to do what I'm gonna do. So if I'm gonna, I don't necessarily, I'm not in a position where I need to sell it.
Okay.
But I'm in a position where I could sell it and be satisfied. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I'd like to buy an RV.
So if I told you you could have 70,000 in the next 30 to 90 days, you would be happy with that, right?
Yeah.
All right. Because I think I can make that happen. I might have to get a little bit creative, but sounds to me like you're open to it. You just want to get your money and be done with it, right?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, yeah, if I could walk away from it and be, then I'd be okay.
Okay. All right, let's do this. I'm going to send you a contract for the 70,000, and I'm going to put on there close on or before the next 60 days.
Okay.
Is your email really?
It is,
yeah. Man, I ain't gonna lie, Richard. I thought you were fake.
Yeah, I've never been hurt on the job.
Yeah.
In 07, I dropped a pallet dropped on my foot.
Yeah.
It was actually a fire brick pallet. Those things weigh about 400 pounds. When it fell on my foot, I was wearing steel toes, and it caved in my steel toe, and it broke my pinky toe.
So you limped around like Deion Sanders?
Well, so I've been known as Pinky Toe since 07 when it happened on the job.
I love it.
You can only punch people on the job so many times. They keep calling you. You just got to deal with it.
I love it. All right. Well, Pinky Toe, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to send you a contract for the 70,000. It's going to go to your email. It's just a simple 2-page agreement. Once you get that, let's get it signed, and we'll get this taken care of for you. Okay.
All right.
All right. Appreciate you, Richard.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.